Fans of international dancehall recording star Vybz Kartel were left disappointed after it was announced that he will not be performing at the show. Links 007 TV Entertainment update have an apology from Vybz Kartel to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. The One Caribbean Music Festival, which was slated for last night at the Queen's Park Savannah in Trinidad, went on without the headline performer after it was announced that dancehall icon Vybz Kartel will no longer be performing at the highly anticipated event. The announcement was made earlier yesterday by the entertainment's management team, who in a release stated that the non-fulfillment of contractual obligation was the reason behind the late cancellation.
Promoter for the Trinidad show. Remember years me know you. Remember when you forward initially for the show. My lawyer was there. My manager was there. Remember the signing was recorded. Remember the money where you're talking about, the legal team, out of my money it forward. Because remember your ball. I mean I say, TJ, me know him long time, give him a blight. TJ reluctant to give a blight. You miss deadline after deadline. Me beg for you, Mr. TJ, give my blight. You bring me now in a loggerheads with the government of Trinidad. Me never tell you someone do no school. My job is to perform for the people. Me's an entertainer. Me get paid to entertain. Remember, you wanted to keep the show during Carnival. Me look for you, me say you can't do that. Don't mess with the culture. Carnival, Trinidad thing, make them do them thing. TJ tell you if you don't do it. Angostura tell you if you don't do it. Kartel tell you if you don't do it. Countless people tell you if you don't do it. You force the issue till eventually you see say it can't work. So now you did want to bring me at loggerheads with the culture of Trinidad. Deadline after deadline, crying after crying. You just couldn't manage a Kartel show, and that's thing to tell the people then. In a discussion. My only regret in the situation is that the Trinidad people are them you rob out of the chance to see Kartel after so many years. So I see me a positivity, me I deal with and good energy. So me apologize to the Trinidad people. They got the government of Trinidad, and me blame myself in some way because me should have known say and every promoter can manage Vybz Kartel. It takes a lot.
Vybz Kartel was formally contracted to perform at the One Caribbean Music Festival 2025 for a total of US $1.35 million. To date, $950,000 US has been paid directly to the artist, while an additional $150,000 was disbursed to his legal representative, the promoter explained. The remaining balance was due to be available in full. However, due to the financial regulation in Trinidad and Tobago, the organizers was unable to disperse the final payment in cash. Last night's announcement was another hurdle the world boss faced in his attempt to return to the Twin Island Republic, where he last performed more than 15 years ago. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Thanks for watching.